It's another day in a big city and we're gonna have a good... Oh, I gotta clear the vocals. It's another day in a big... I can't be serious. Another day in the big city and we're gonna have a good day. That was cute. You sure?
Yeah. Hi.
This is my twin, my Tony Giselle.
You mean your mini-me?
Yes, mini me. You gotta look right here though. All over here, cause we looking at each other because we really look alike. If I was a little petite, this would have been me. You feel me? But you know, thick thighs save lives. Don't play. It's always gonna be a special guest. It's one kid that is gonna be up, and today it's this one. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mia Vibes, and I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to do like a little Temu cute girly review. I don't know what I want to call it. Like, it's a whole bunch of Hello Kitty, a whole bunch of cute stuff that y'all might not be up on, but y'all about to be on now. Did we peep the nails? You know what, somebody asked me, they were like, did I love Hello Kitty? Like, is that like my thing? I guess it's Hello Kitty season. With the anniversary, like the 50th anniversary, it's like Hello Kitty crazy out here. So I don't know what y'all expect. I'm a girl that like pink, and yeah, like it's nothing but pink Hello Kitty shit out here right now. I'm gonna put it all in one. Everything is pretty much unpacked. Some stuff is not. So we gonna get through it, y'all. Let's go. Really cute Hello Kitty case. This manicure set, and it's a little flimsy. It's not as like, I remember these being like super durable. Like the metal feels like super bendable, but you know, like it comes in handy and it's cute. Everything on Temu for real, it comes from China, so it's a little bit cheaper. This Hello Kitty cosmetic case, and then it has the light pink Hello Kitty face with the bow. It's super cute. On the inside, and everything I paid for was less than $10. Literally everything on there was less than $10. If y'all are into cute stuff to be in your purse, cute dainty things, Temu is the place. Like I really had to show y'all for real. When I did my Crocs bag, the bag charm galore. Little, I want to say maybe it's like a coin purse, and it has the rhinestone on it with the Hello Kitty face. This little clip, you can clip it on, but I wouldn't suggest because this is really cheap. I'm not gonna lie, like super cheap. It's just still cute. You have to handle this stuff with care for sure. Like not super care, but you have to handle this shit with care. On the inside, I just keep my AirPod case, and this also I got from Temu. Just a Hello Kitty head with a cute little charm dangle with the bell. Super cute, right? I just keep this in here. This is so freaking cute. It's just lace pennies, makeup brushes, or you know, like some pencils. Isn't this so cute? All this stuff was under $10. Pretty brown Hello Kitty clip, and this came in multiple colors. Just a cute little hair clip. Next is this little lip gloss holder. I'm guessing like it's a lipstick holder, and you know how lipsticks are a little bit shorter. With this, I couldn't fit like my Fenty in there, my Bath and Body Works lip gloss. Like that stuff doesn't fit in here. I'm guessing, you know, it has to be like an actual tube of lipstick. So yeah, and then also I'm worried about this because I also bought this off of Temu that I wasn't gonna show, like, but I bought this. This is just like a spray that you would keep on your keychain, but like I said, like the metal is a little bit cheaper, so if you snag it, it will break, you know. So but also if you look how pink, but the color is coming off. See? So I wonder, is this gonna do that as well? Because aren't these like the same? This is a little more purpler, but yeah, it's scared. I guess we'll see. But you also get what you pay for. Like, this stuff is a little bit cheaper. It's good quality though. Like, I can't even lie. Key fob holder. My key is in there now. See, it just zips around. Inside this little keychain. And it's a Hello Kitty head with a rainbow. It's really good quality. I'm not even gonna let, like, a durable hook. And then another keychain. Why is this so freaking cute? Just the Hello Kitty on like a floaty with some ice cream and the cute sunglasses that sparkle. And then you just put this on your bag and you keep it pushing, okay? Super pretty. Here. And it's just a baby pink Hello Kitty playing on the back. It's plastic. Just another key fob holder. And this one is just like a rhinestone one. Kitty pencil case. And unzip it, and it holds a lot. Like, this pen, like, I'm a pen girl. Like, I love pens. Like, I love a good pen. I'm like a writer. Like, I like to write stuff down. I have a planner. Like, I'm that type of girl. So I love a good pen. Like, just the old school pen. And this just, you know, took me back to the 90s. Or is that the 80s? I'm not sure. But yeah, you just hit the button. And my girl punches. My girl goes, okay? This also came in multiple colors as well. Super cute. With the bow. Okay. It comes with the bow. The bow moves. Big ass heel. This is gonna be crazy to hold. Hello. This is extra. Next thing is these shades. What is it giving? Substitute teacher. Big sub. Big sub. Big sub. I did get for free, like, one of those lights for the camera. Understand my passion. I'm Van Gogh on the canvas. It's nothing till I brush. And turn my ring light was regular, cute red light special, and it does like the little very much rave. Wanna go to the party and have me a good time there. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, like, a whole bunch of random stuff. Temu is where it's at when you want, like, just little cute, dainty, cute stuff. Charms and phone cases for the girly. It's very girly. They do have regular stuff on there. They have a lot of stuff on there. Peace, love. Only the best of vibes, y'all. Mental health is important. Let's stay at peace and all that. Okay, bye y'all.